Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. This video is a request. The oversized candle holders, I think they were like 4.5 feet. Those ones were requested in white. I wanted to show you, these are smaller. They didn't want them so large. But anyways, I wanted to show you the versatility and what you could do with this. You could keep it all white, or you could mirror and bling it out. That's what he wanted. As you can see, I've got the 3 mirror tiles on the top on each side to create a division for the bling wrap. Each bling wrap is 3 rows with 5 diamonds in it. Then I've got 7 mirror tiles on each side, 1 row of bling wrap, and then I have, let's see, 5 mirror tiles on the bottom and 4 rows of the bling wrap. So like I said, the whole point and purpose here is to see the versatility. You could turn it around, you could have it white, or you could use the bling side to display. If you get bored though, you can always switch it up. I also put 2 bling wrap, 1 row on each side. So let's get started. So this vase comes in an original, it's wood, it's made out of wood, and it comes in a brown wooden color. So I painted it white, and then I added the 3 1x1 mirror tiles on each side. And here I'm in the middle, and I did 7 mirror tiles on each side of the vase, glued those with hot glue. And then I'm going to put a row of bling wrap, just 1 row, after the 7 tiles. So after the 7 mirror tiles, I added the 1 row of bling wrap, and then here I'm just sticking the mirror tiles on the sides, and I have on the bottom 5 mirror tiles on each side, 4 rows of bling wrap with 5 diamonds. To give it more of a finished look, I took 1 row of bling wrap and went from top to bottom on each side.
So now I'm going to take a piece of this cardboard, stick it inside. I'm going to put mirrored paper on it, and it's going to go in the vase.
So after I applied the mirrored paper onto the cardboard, then I stuck it into the vase, and you want to make sure that your cardboard is rather tight, because this is what's going to hold your candle or whatever content you're going to put inside of this. I took hot glue and went around all of the edges, and like I said, make sure that it's tight so that it's secure, and it will hold. So for the last step, to build the clear box, the actual candle part, I used 4x6 picture frames. You can use 5x7 picture frames, but you're going to have a slight overhang, and I really didn't want that, so I just went with the 4x6s. So what I did was, down the middle on the top of the vase, I went down the sides with E6000 as well as hot glue, and then I held my glass in place, and on each side of the next piece of glass, I would take some E6000 and just a bead of hot glue, and then I would mesh those together. And the E6000 will dry clear when it's done, so you don't have to worry about there being a glue mess. Don't use a lot of hot glue though, just a little bit, just enough to keep it intact. So then I just held it in place for a couple of seconds, and I did this around every single edge. And that's how you have your clear box. If you have small kids, I would recommend that you take acrylic sheets. You can get acrylic sheets. It has the same effect, the same look. It's just safer. You can get those off Amazon. And like I said, these are just 4x6. So this is the last piece of the glass. Please excuse my spotted wine glass. Obviously, my dishwasher left some spots, and I didn't notice that until I watched this. So yeah, not so pretty. Sorry about that. In any case, this is the last piece of glass, and you're going to do the same thing around the entire vase. Little glue on each side, on the bottom. Hold it together. Let it dry overnight. Or even just a few hours, it's fine. I added some candles and some white roses in mine. White roses are my thing. Anyway, I would like to take the time to say thank you very, very much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe to my channel. If you've already been subscribed, I'd like to thank you for your time and supporting me in these projects. Thank you very, very much. You guys have a fabulous day. I hope you enjoyed this project, and I look forward to the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.